Every early childhood classroom does a calendar activity and probably a weather activity every day. This particular activity allows you to have the children chart the weather over a 3 or 4 week period using these particular icons to place under each day. From this gathering of data, you can have a conversation about what the weather has been like. Has it been consistent? Has it been inconsistent? Has the temperature changed? Is it about the same for the 3-week period, or were there vast changes? This is a great opportunity to do follow-up activities of sorting cards of different types of weather, different types of clouds, or to work into the different biomes, which is our next work. So this activity is a follow-up after the weather, but also an extension of the biomes. So one of the things that we learned when we were doing our weather work is that we can have sunshine and we can have rain. But what happens if we have too much rain? Well, we get flooding, don't we? We can also have wind. But what happens if we have too much wind? Well, we can knock down some of the branches off of the trees. So weather can change our environment. But something else that can change our environment are the plants and animals that exist in it. In this particular one, we can see a tree that roots have pushed up the sidewalk. Has anybody walked on a sidewalk and tried to get around the roots? That's how this particular plant has altered the environment. Here's our friend the beaver. The beaver is building a dam, and he is changing the course of the river. The water behind the dam can no longer flow. So here we have a plant that is altering the environment, and we have an animal that is altering the environment. We have more cards that we can sort under how these plants and animals alter their environment. There are 2 sets for the children to use as follow-up activities, and then of course having a discussion of what they have seen and what their own experiences are.